G'day everyone, it's James here from Hunting and Prepping with DALP. I'm so used to saying Dark Arts Lockpicking. So, one of the things that I think it's overlooked quite a bit when it comes to being prepared is being able to move if worst case happens, but not just being able to move, but making sure that you have the ability to run devices, to keep power going, and to keep your systems alive whilst on the move. So, I mean, as good as it is to, have power and everything when you're at home, having a good rolling system that you can use as well is also very important in my books. So, in the back of my ute here, I run a solar panel on the roof. It's a 130 watt panel, or 300 watt panel. Might be 300 watt, I think. One of the two. I'm pretty sure it's 300 watt. Sorry, I was looking at 130 watt and I went for the 300 watt, which runs down to a solar converter, and then that runs through to the two battery boxes that I use in the back of the vehicle here to power my 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, which I use to run my key machines. I also use it to charge my tool batteries when I'm out and about and I need power to charge my tools. So you can run a dual battery system. For me, I don't really want to like the dual battery system for the fact that you have to have your car running in order to have power or to charge up the batteries, where having a solar panel built-in system built in, or if you don't have it built into the roof like mine is, have a fold-out panel system that you can set up, one of the solar blankets, and a solar charging controller. Makes your life a lot easier. Not only can I power and charge my laptops, I can run a fridge. I've got a little esky fridge that I run in the back here during summer when I'm out and about and want a cold drink. But I can also use it to power everything else. And not only do I have all my locksmith tools in here, which is seen before, but on this side, on the other drawer, where I usually use as a table, because I have a piece of chipboard left over, so I stick that on top of the drawer to use as a table. But in here, I also carry a couple of spare items just in case. I've got two gas stoves, the little portable gas stoves, with gas bottles as well, the little butane ones. So, and a thing of pots and pans, so if it's out and about and something happens, I'm kind of covered in that respect. I also have a little solar pack. This is a little 14 watt solar pack. I use this for charging my phones, tablets and stuff like that when I'm out, so that I still have power. I have a light strip in here, an LED light strip that runs off USB or can run off cigarette port, and other bits and pieces and tools in here. So this is mainly all the tools to keep my vehicle going, and also just in case. But for me, having power on the move, also have a first aid kit in here. A very good quality first aid kit full of a lot of stuff. But being able to have power on the move, being able to set up shop wherever I want, not just for locksmith work and services, but crunch comes to the crunch, I know we can take the vehicle, we can load it out, chuck the trailer on the back, load up all of our gear, get out to the wilderness, get out to wherever we want, where it'll be safe, and we'll be fine, because we have the ability to have constant power to run everything. I think it's overlooked a lot. People don't really think about power options when they're out and about, but for me it is extremely important. So those of you that follow my YouTube channel, the Dark Arts Lockpicking one, the business one, you'll have seen the layout for it, so I'm not really going to show you all the layout, but talking about it, is something that's important. As I said, I run two battery packs, so I keep shipping between the two, switch from one to the other, make sure they're continuously charged. That way, if one goes flat, I can use the other one for power whilst the other one charges back up, and get everything, continuously running and have continuous power. Use it when we're going away camping, and it works really, really well. Can charge my laptop up, got a hard drive with heaps and heaps and heaps of movies on it. We can sit back with a projector, screen up, in comfort and watch some movies on the laptops. And when it gets dark, we can watch movies on the projector. This is a really cheap projector I bought, like a $30 one. So you know, it's not the super brightest and you can't really see it during the day, but for watching, the picture quality isn't, you know, high def. But overnight, when you're sitting there out in the wilderness, it's dark, you've got a movie you can watch on a big screen and just have a really good time and be, you know, comfortable. So anyway, I've got some work to do. Because stay safe, stay prepared, stay vigilant, and have a good one. Cheers, guys.